Eufy X8 Pro Robot Vacuum. The Eufy X8 Pro is an excellent self-emptying robot vacuum and mop that can help with daily floor maintenance in most households. However, its detangling roller brush makes it particularly well suited for homes with pets. The X8 Pro did a great job clearing my laminate floors and a few area rugs of dust and pet hair. It worked quietly and navigated deftly around furniture and other obstacles and transitioned over floor thresholds without issue. Only the toe spaces under my kitchen and bathroom cabinets gave it pause as its height limited how deeply it could get into these. Daily vacuuming was essentially a hands-free experience, though, thanks to excellent obstacle avoidance and a built-in comb that detangles pet hair from the roller brush as it rotates to prevent tangles. The Eufy RoboVac X8 is better than the Eufy RoboVac G30. The X8 is better built, lasts much longer on a charge, and delivers superior performance on bare floors as well as low and high pile carpet. Conversely, the G30 is a little bit lighter. The Eufy RoboVac X8 and Roborock S7 each have strengths, so one might suit you better, depending on your needs. The Eufy incurs lower recurring costs, has a removable battery, and clears more debris on bare floors and high pile carpet. Meanwhile, the Roborock feels better built, maneuvers itself more effectively, and has a mopping attachment to clear messes on bare floors. The Eufy RoboVac X8 and iRobot Roomba J7 each have strengths and weaknesses, meaning one might suit you better than the other, depending on your needs. The Eufy has fewer parts that need periodic cleaning, lasts longer on a single charge, and delivers superior cleaning performance on bare floors and low pile carpet. The iRobot has more advanced automation capabilities, most notably its hazard detection capability. If you go for the pricier J7 Plus model, its self-emptying function allows it to dump any accumulated debris from its internal dustbin to an external dirt compartment on its charging dock, reducing hands-on maintenance requirements. The iRobot also performs better on high pile carpet, has an allergen-trapping HEPA filter, and charges a lot faster. The Eufy X8 is good for dealing with pet hair. It has no trouble clearing pet hair on bare floors and doesn't struggle too much with this type of debris on low or high pile carpets. You can easily remove its brush roll to help clear tangled hair, and it even comes with a dedicated cleaning tool. However, it doesn't have an allergen-trapping HEPA filter, and many parts need regular cleaning.